Hello everyone and welcome to this video guys. Today in this video we'll do comparison between Monica AI and Cider AI. So guys, let's dive in on this video. The Monica AI guys, it is AI tools offers different service guys, and as you can see here, you have the tools to write, you have grammar, you have translate, AI detector and chat PDF and mind map and search and bot and different read and podcast. For example guys, the write tools you can write and write anything, and you can just choose the length of this writer, and you can for example short and format email and tones castle, and just click import in language and click generate. For you have this is for the chart and for image guys. This is just for chart guys. As you can see here, it is a big tools. You find different service from here, and the image, you can create an image through this image. You can just get idea and you can create the video guys. You can also unlock for the video, create video, text to video. You have text to video here. If I go back, you have from the text to video, you have from here you have unlock text video, you have image to video, creative, effective, and you have audio. As you can see here, this podcast, you can generate a podcast from here. For Cider AI guys, it's AI tools. You can like a human like search with a smart highlight native, and you have the tools. You have AI video shortener, you have AI image generator, AI translate, PDF translate. As you can see here, it's similar Monica AI. This is the free guys online AI image generator. You can start from here, write anything, just write your email from continue with your email account. For example, I want to continue with email and click continue, and you have free AI translations. This is the tool just similar like Monica guys. And Cider PDF, you have the PDF translation guys. You can translate any PDF, just upload your PDF here. The pricing guys, if I check talking about the pricing, this is the pricing on the Cider AI, started $3.8, and for Monica I think also if I check this price from here, just guys wait to check the price, and from here it's upgraded. This is the price guys. As you can see here, for Monica AI you have start for $16. It's costed and the Pro $8.3. So guys, this is good tools. If you want to create AI image, text, PDF translate, you can use the both tools. It's